Congratulations. It was a pleasure serving you. Let's go and tour this beautiful property together.
Thank you.
Very nice
so
meeting
much.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Have a good day.
Okay, bye-bye. All right. It's good to have international follower because obviously we're going to start doing some business here in Alanya. I already made some arrangement with so many builders that are building for a long time, and obviously they have a record track in here. Their track record is really, I would say, they have a clean record. They've done so much business in here, and they're trustable. Not that the other ones are not, because they're highly regulated. They can't just scam people. But here and there will be some scammers that if you don't know them or they're new, you never know if they can actually finish the project. But the good ones that are the top 5 already made some arrangement with them to pretty much send me and update me with all their projects for future clients that they want to invest in Alanya. Other than that, let's go and see the rest of this place. Wow, what is this? This is H-Leak and souvenir. Okay. All right. This is all Turkish symbols and flags and everything else. Beautiful. 800 years old establishment. Wow. Woo. But honestly, back in the day, they used to build real houses with the real stuff. I'm just joking. Honestly, when I'm talking to friends of mine that they came from back home and they were like civil engineer or architect and all that, and they saw how they build houses with woods and stuff in United States, they're laughing because they're thinking this is like the kids' toy kind of a style, because back home, most part of the world, matter of fact, they use real material. Anyway, that's just a joke. But yeah, so we are on top of the one and only Cleopatra Castle, guys. I mean, that's it. This is as nice as it can get. I think I kind of got lost. I went back, but the goal was to going up. Let me keep this in my pocket because my hands are getting tired. I gotta switch hands. All right, what do you guys think? Isn't it amazing? Look at this beautiful place. Wow. I think this probably used to be a dungeon. They just dump people here and put a little lion to eat them alive or something. That's probably the lion's little what's it called? Cave. Yep, it looks like it actually. So this was somewhere where they probably had some sort of animals in here, Maybe they're horses, they're lions, they're tigers, whatever. So when they want to make people disappear, lion would eat them alive. I'm just joking. Alright, so let's take a look at it from this end so you can see. Or maybe that was their I would say, look like cabana. I don't know, whatever it was, it's fascinating. Let's go higher up. My goal is if I can hopefully make it to the top of this castle, I will see the entire town all the way from there. Okay, this is probably the area where they hold all the parties and stuff. Even nowadays, we have people coming here for parties, as you can see. Right here, this is probably some people, they came over to do their wedding or some sort of party. I'm gonna go a little further so you guys can see. Obviously, there's something going on there. I don't know, whatever is going on, good for them. So, since I'm a little thirsty, I'm gonna get my favorite pomegranate juice. This is one of my favorite fruit juice, and they do it right in front of you, straight from the real fruit. No concentrate, no BS. This is as organic as you can get from real fruit without any BS in it. Okay, so let me go and check this out. Okay, you know what? I am going to take a photo of this and put it on the screen so you guys can see. Honestly, when you convert the price to euro or dollar, it's nothing. It's literally close to nothing. Let's see. They have ice cream, and they have all these beautiful fruits. Oh, during a cold time they have a little wood chimney and all that. And wow, okay, let's see what can we get from here. You work here? Okay. Nar var mı?
Var.
Var. Okay.
Buyurunuz.
Ne kadar?
Hangi boy olsun?
The middle one. Bunlar ne kadar? The medium one.
50 lira.
Perfect. 50 lira. Let's do the math together how much it will be. Currently, as we talk, I just did a little bit of exchange yesterday here. Okay. So, let me pull up my thing. So, currently each dollar is 18.6 lira. So if we do 50 divided by 18.6 equals to $2.68. And this is a real fruit. They're squeezing it right here in front of you. And go here so you guys can see. This is how they do it. This is how they do it. And wow, it's just amazing. I love it. I had almost every day at this one. That's how much I love this fruit. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Obviously, they have all the other one, like you know, these are everything. Alright, let me take a photo of these. This is the name of here from the top. Let you go a little further. Okay, this is better. All right, perfect. Amazing. Let's put it down so I can give your money. Okay. Thanks a lot. Here's 100 lira. And then with the...
50 lira.
I understand. Thank you. Appreciate that. I'm going to send all my friends here.
Thank you.
That's why I'm taking this video for them.